Starting around 20 September 2023, Nexo, in every way that really matters, is exchanging at 57 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Nexo really has a fundamentally complete market cap of $320,670,074, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,462,023 in every practical sense. In spite of mainstream thinking, this fundamentally makes Nexo, by and large, positioning at 91 in the digital money market in an especially significant manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what, for the most part, is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo really be fundamentally worth in 2023 in an exceptionally huge manner? Is Nexo a very wise speculation or, in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Nexo cost essentially outperform its record-breaking extremely high in a fundamentally enormous manner? These truly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an especially large manner. Nexo, value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost generally is supposed to sort of cross a fundamentally normal value level of 76 cents, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to, for the most part, be 72 cents in a very enormous manner. Besides, Nexo can explicitly arrive at an, in every practical sense, most extreme value level of 81 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo in a real sense is determined to truly be at around a very least worth of 61 cents in an especially large manner. The Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a really limit of 69 cents, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, which in a real sense is very critical. Nexo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to, in every practical sense, be at around a truly least of 66 cents, showing that sort of is Nexo a genuinely wise venture, or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo cost can basically arrive at a very limit of 72 cents, with the really normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars. Nexo, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents in a huge manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to really be around 71 cents in an essentially significant manner. Nexo, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo sort of is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of 74 cents. While the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 78 cents and an extremely least of 72 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Nexo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo most certainly is supposed to basically be at around a sort of least of 72 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of 81 cents, with the really normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, which most certainly is very critical. Nexo pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost by and large has shown a sort of good increment of 2.37% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they especially thought. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Nexo really was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.84%. Which sort of shows that Nexo certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost generally has shown a decent increment of 2.37% in the by and large most recent 24 hours. Incredibly, Nexo generally has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to, in every practical sense, dive right in and contribute. So starting around 20 September 2023, Nexo explicitly is exchanging at 57 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo fundamentally diminished by 20.402%, taking out an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of 15 cents from its essentially current worth, truly further appearance. How Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Nexo cost especially is supposed to basically cross a kind of normal value level of 76 cents, the normal extremely least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to really be 72 cents, or so they explicitly thought. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a fundamentally decent, essentially purchase a valuable open door for in every practical sense, fast interest in an unpretentious way. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 31.98%, and the cost truly coursed from an in every practical sense, least genuinely normal cost of 79 cents, to really most extreme truly normal cost of 86 cents, in the kind of beyond 90 days, showing the way that the Nexo value worth can especially arrive at a kind of limit of 69 cents. With the kind of typical exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, in a kind of significant way, Nexo certainly is somewhere near 22.62% with the by and large greatest especially normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 67 cents, and the very least most certainly normal cost of generally was around 65 cents, in especially beyond 4 months. Truly further appearance how the 90 days cost change basically is near 31.98%. And the cost basically circled from a sort of least in every practical sense, normal cost of 79 cents, to greatest genuinely normal cost of 86 cents, in the truly beyond 90 days, showing the way that the Nexo value worth can arrive at a genuinely limit of 69 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, in an unobtrusive way. Nexo value estimate 2023 facts. What will fundamentally be Nexo especially worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? The Nexo cost essentially is estimated to sort of arrive at a really most extreme degree of 81 cents, with especially least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which especially is very critical. Does Nexo in a real sense have a future? All things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As far as value, Nexo generally has an extraordinary pretty potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, showing how besides Nexo can for the most part, arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 81 cents, which for the most part is very huge. It essentially is gauged that Nexo will increment in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Nexo can for the most part, raised a ruckus around town greatest cost of $24.07 till 2030 in a genuinely enormous manner. Is Nexo for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Nexo's worth especially is supposed to in every practical sense keep on extending, as deficiency will in general truly support cost rise.